Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to hide a Facebook post on your PC. Sometimes, you might want to keep certain posts private or limit their visibility. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and typing in facebook.com in the address bar. Hit Enter to access the Facebook website. Step 2. Once you're on Facebook, locate the post that you want to hide. Look for the three dots menu located above the post. Step 3. Click on the three dots menu, and from the list of options that appear, select Hide Post. This will hide the post from your timeline and your friends' news feeds. To recap, open Facebook, click on the three dots menu above the post, and select Hide Post. Once you've completed these steps, Facebook will confirm that the post has been hidden. This allows you to control the visibility of the post and keep it private. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in teaching you how to hide a Facebook post on your PC. Remember, it's essential to have control over your privacy settings and choose what you want to share with others. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.